Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to talk about my custom relay that I've made for the Rest in Peace's mausoleum. For anyone who owns this piece, it has a set off timer basically, so if you turn it off with the switch, which they do actually even put a warning label on it, that if you just unplug it, it can result in malfunction and can actually break your piece. So for most people though that want to just shut off all of their buildings with a power strip, it can have problems and it's a bit of a hassle to have to try and find the switch and turn it off manually, especially if it's in a larger layout. So my solution to that is I wired in this barrel plug, and barrel plugs that are designed for use in like a battery pack / plug-in adapter thing, it will switch when you plug in the barrel plug, it'll actually switch wires inside of it. So it has 3 different pins. I did another video showing my connections for this, which I'll link in the description. Basically all I did was wire the barrel plug so that if nothing's plugged into it, the regular switch here will work normally and the piece will shut on and off with just the turn key here. But if you plug in this custom barrel plug, then it disconnects the wires from here and feeds it through this relay. And so this relay is a 5-volt relay, and so I designed this to be a plug-and-play attachment for most Lemax houses that use a 4.5 volt adapter. So all you have to do is, this is an extension basically. So I'm using the Horde Haunted Hotel as a demonstration here. So all you have to do is, there's an input and an output. And so here's the barrel plug from the Horde Haunted Hotel adapter. So you plug that into the input, and you can hear that clicking sound is the relay because it's being switched on. And then you plug the other side into the Horde Haunted Hotel or whatever building you're going to use. So then if you unplug the Horde Haunted Hotel's power adapter, the relay will switch off as well. So that way, if you have the Horde Haunted Hotel plugged into your regular power strip that shuts off when you turn off all your buildings, it'll activate and deactivate this relay, which then can activate the mausoleum. So then you plug in this part here, and you can switch on the mausoleum. And what I found interesting is if you unplug, basically if you just disconnect the wires for the mausoleum to turn it off by the power here, the sound will still work if you left it in the last position. So that's another neat thing, is if I unplug the Horde Haunted Hotel, now the mausoleum will go through its shutdown cycle. So it'll go through basically its one loop and make sure that all the motors are in the correct positions, and then it will power down as well. The only thing is, you obviously don't want to turn on and off your main buildings because that could also affect it. On the warning label here, it says to not turn it on while it's doing its shutdown cycle. So here in a minute, after the coffin and the door reset completely, it will turn off. So now if I power up the Horde Haunted Hotel again, there you can see it's working how it should, where if you turn on your main buildings here, it'll also activate the mausoleum and then shut it off how you would normally have to do it with the cord. But this just does it automatically for you. And if you turn off this manually, it will just remain permanently off until you activate it again. So you can still shut it off with this, even if it's plugged into the relay. So the relay is just a 5-volt relay, like I say, and the barrel plug here is just connected in between the normally open and the common terminal of the relay. So when the relay is on with power, then it will activate whatever's plugged into here. And then I just wired a 22 ohm resistor in series with the coil of the relay, and then I wired a diode in reverse to the polarity of what the relay is getting for power. So that way, when you unplug the power for the relay, there won't be any reverse voltage spikes. So that pretty much sums it up. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on my channel.